Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast, where we learn real English for real life situations. My name is John, and today we have a very important and practical topic. This episode is not about grammar rules, and it is not about difficult vocabulary. Today, we are talking about English for safety.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone listening to us today. My name is Claudia, and I'm very happy to be here.
We're very happy to have you, Claudia. You look calm and confident today.
Thank you. I slept well, had a good breakfast, and I feel ready to talk about serious topics.
Perfect, because today's topic is serious, but extremely useful for English learners. Today, we are talking about situations with the police.
Oh, that sounds serious already.
Yes, but don't worry. We will keep everything simple and clear. Before we continue, we have a small request.
Please subscribe to EasySpeak podcast, like this episode, and share it with friends who are learning English.
All right, let's begin. Claudia, have you ever talked to the police in English?
Yes, I have. And to be honest, I was very nervous at first.
That feeling is very normal. Can you tell us what happened?
A few years ago, I was living in another country. Everything was new to me. One afternoon, after a long day at work, I took the bus home.
You were probably very tired.
I really was. My head was full, and I wasn't fully focused. When I got home, I put my bag on the table and went to the kitchen. A few minutes later, I opened my bag and something felt wrong.
Oh, that moment when your heart drops.
Exactly. My document folder was missing. Inside that folder, I had my ID card, my residence permit, and other important papers.
That's very serious, especially in a foreign country.
Yes. At first, I tried to stay calm. I checked everywhere: the table, the sofa, my jacket. Nothing.
What did you think at that moment?
I started to replay my day in my head. Then I realized I might have left the folder on the bus.
That realization can be scary.
It really was. Those documents were my identity. After a few deep breaths, I decided to call the police and report lost documents.
Yeah, it was the right decision.
I searched for the local police number, not the emergency number. When the officer answered, my hands were shaking a little. I spoke slowly and said, "Hello, I would like to report lost documents."
Very clear and simple.
He asked me a few questions about my name, my address, and where I last saw the documents. I answered slowly, making sure he understood me.
And how was his reaction?
He was calm and kind. He said, "Don't worry, this happens often." That sentence helped me relax.
Sometimes calm words are more powerful than perfect English.
Exactly. He explained that I needed an official report. With that report, I could contact the bus company and the immigration office.
That's very useful information.
2 days later, I received a phone call. Someone had found my folder and turned it in.
That must have been a huge relief.
It really was. Everything was inside. That experience taught me something important.
Tell us.
You don't need perfect English to ask for help. You need calm, simple words and confidence.
That's a powerful message. English is not only for conversations, it's for safety and real life.
And the most important word is still help.
Thank you, Claudia, for sharing this story.
Thank you for listening.
And thank you to everyone listening to EasySpeak. Podcast Stay Safe. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you next time.